Hope I don't fall down because it is too deep. Woo! Today's vlog is completely about rain. Wait!
It's actually 12:08 in the morning. Everyone is sleeping and I'm vlogging. I shouldn't speak so loud. If I do, my parents are going to wake up and they will probably scold me. So I should be quiet. So as I said in the previous video that I am going to show you the SJ6 Legend microphone setup. As I shown you in the previous video that I bought this. This time it is the perfect SJ6 Legend series compatible microphone. And this one is the SJ8 series wrong microphone that I got and I'm not able to replace it. So I found a solution for this and I will probably upload in the next few weeks. If you want to see the problems regarding the SJ cameras, you can click the I button over here. There are two major upgrades that I'm going to do to my cameras. One is for my action camera and other one is for the major camera that I'm recording right now. That is with this Ulanzi tripod. Yeah, it is an expensive one. Costed me around 2000 rupees, but okay, it is going to be worth it because the old tripod which I have, it is not working so properly and it is also going to rip off like this. Not a good thing. I bought this for 300 rupees and it worked for 3 years. That's a good thing. And this one, the camera which I'm using on the tripod which I'm using for the camera that I'm recording now, it is another one. I got 3 to 4 different tripods because we are vloggers, we do upgrade every single time. I will set up this microphone to my helmet and then I will show you the setup in the morning, early morning.
Today the climate is really good. Last night I was testing this mic seriously a number of times and it took me around 3 o'clock to sleep today in the morning. Destination for tomorrow is quite not fixed yet. We are having like 2 destinations on mind. We will see with what destination we are clear to go. As I said previously before that we are going to Diomali. That is one destination and other destination I will tell you as I go. And I brought my new tripod with my old camera. But checking the gear today is a very important thing because I have a ride tomorrow. So what usually happens is whenever I go straight on this red signal, a cop used to be there and he used to catch me for a fine. We will just go like that. We will drive on the beach road and then we will go to a fuel station along with Vishnu when he comes after he kind of woke up, and then we will discuss about the plan clearly. I like today's weather, but when I say this many times, na, something bad happens. That's why I'm controlling my tongue and my mouth. Ladybird uncle, arey yaar, where are you turning the mic? I don't know if my mic setup is completely functional or not, because whenever I remove the pin and insert the pin again, it is not showing an option or an icon that the mic is connected automatically. I would have crashed. Comes in the middle of the road and suddenly stops or slows down. What is this, man? Arey auto guy. I don't know where the RK beach starts and where the RK beach ends. He is the other type of rider. He is Uncle Rider. If you are having space on the scooty, why are you using the footpegs of the pillion? Even if the pillion is there or not. It just started drizzling, so I think I should go to a safe place before it even starts raining. We will enter like this. We will take a right turn, left turn later. ఇప్పుడు అర్థం ఫిక్స్ అయ్యా బయటికి.
I just should have got caught up in rain because it's raining heavily and I'm in Vishnu's house. The actual plan was to go and get the fuel filled in our bikes, but it is not happening. Hope you can hear the sound. It's like more than half an hour here, and I have to go sharply at 11 to log in. But the rain is not going to stop today, I think. I think we have to refuel tomorrow only.
Bye. రేపు పొద్దున్న ఫోన్ చేస్తాను 5:30కి. So the rain is not reduced yet, and I had to remove my action camera and fix this waterproof casing. Lucky that I brought it. My camera, my phone, my wallet, and all the batteries are in a plastic cover. Vishnu brought his extra cover so that my camera stuff won't get ruined in this rain. At least my bike is going to get a free wash today. So actually tomorrow we will be leaving in what is this water, man? So tomorrow we will be leaving almost at 5:30 in the morning. Arey yaar, these roads are filled with water. It's almost like 1.5 years or no, it's like 3 years since I've driven my bike like this. From next time I will be carrying for sure my raincoat. Hope I don't fall down because it is too deep. Woo! Today's vlog is completely about rain. Wait! So I will meet you guys when I am back home and I am pressed up a little bit. Okay.
So I came back home, I had to log in and I had to work, and then now I'm making a video. So today it was not really possible because rain ruined our plans of preparation for the trip for tomorrow. So our trip is on Saturday, and most probably the vlog is going to be uploaded on Sunday. So because of the rain, it was not really possible to show my setup, which I just said before in this video. So here is the helmet setup, which is going to look like this. The microphone is going to be in there, and the wire is going to come up and wound like this, and then it is going to be connected like here. So today after I went on the ride and saw the clips that I have made and recorded with this SJ Cam microphone. It's not so great, but it is better than before. After changing a lot of settings, it's working okay, and I have to make few modifications on this mic as well in order to reduce the noise and some weird noises. I don't know why I'm laughing, because I just got a call from Pradyumna and Abhishek that we are going to meet out. I don't think so that is a very good time, but we will meet so there is no problem.
Jum is already there. I can see him from a distance. And this is Jum's scooty. There is Jum. Abhishek in पर आला है.
Good conversation. Good pep talk.
It is a very busy day today, and I just came like at 9, exactly 9, when the lockdown is going to, when the curfew is going to begin. The timing from 9 p.m. to morning 6 a.m. is the curfew time in Visakhapatnam. So it's a very hectic day, and this vlog is going to be a little bit lengthier. So what I was discussing in the previous clip is that I am going to use this Ulanzi MT11 tripod, which is almost closely near to 2000 rupees. It is not a cheap one, but it is going to be worth it because it is very sturdy, it is very strong. It is a one-piece frame, so it is going to be very good in quality. So it is having a very good feature that it's a common feature that it is having a 1/4-inch thread so that I can mount my camera. Along with that, it is also having a built-in mobile holder, which is a very good thing because we don't need to carry another quarter-inch thread separately for a mobile holder in this. And yeah, it is also having a hole here for a quarter-inch to fix a quarter-inch thread for additional light or microphone support. So it's going to be doing a very good job. From tomorrow, actually I started using this today only, but I could not show you how this is going to work. So apart from all this, I have been so busy today, completely from morning to evening. It's like 9:55 in the night, and tomorrow I have to wake up early in the morning, like 4 o'clock in the morning, and then I have to go pick up Preetham, and then we have to go on a ride to. You will know about it. So it's a very hectic day, and I have to sleep a lot. I have to charge my accessories, the camera, the action camera as well, the tripods and everything. I have to fix some stuff, and I have to pack some luggage. I have to go and get a power bank charged, keep it in my bag, and also I have to fix the. There's a lot of stuff. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you like the video, please do like, comment, subscribe, and share my video for more. Don't miss the next vlog. It is going to be uploaded on Sunday. Peace.